Is Heycash worth using? I've been using get paid to sites for years, and every now and then a new platform catches my eye. Recently, one has been advertised heavily, and that's known as Heycash. As someone who's actually earned over £9,000 from surveys last year, I feel like it's my duty to actually test out this platform and share my experiences with yourselves. Hey everyone, it's Dan from SideHustle Reliance. On my channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. In this video, I'll be exploring Heycash, showcasing its earning potential and then comparing it to other well-known get paid to sites like Swagbucks, Freecash, and even its sister sites known as Prime Opinion and Five Surveys. As always, all the links mentioned in this video are in the description. Heycash is the new kid on the block, created by the same team behind Prime Opinion and Five Surveys. According to their Google Play Store description, Heycash promotes itself as a seamless way to connect numerous ways to earn online, offering instant cash outs and positions itself as one of the top money-making apps. After signing up and logging in, the first thing you actually notice is the point system on Heycash. So every 1 point you earn, that's a tenth of a cent. So that means you need to have 1,000 points to hit $1 in value. That's fine and dandy, but for people who actually live outside the US, like myself who live in the UK, that means I need to earn around 1.2 thousand points to earn £1 on the platform. That's quite a lot of work. If you've actually used the sister site known as Prime Opinion, you'll actually notice that Heycash's interface is pretty much a carbon copy of Prime Opinion. But there is one notable change. The notable change is the streak system. So on Prime Opinion, you can actually maintain a streak by completing one survey a day, regardless of how much that survey will pay you. And then if you do that for 7 days, on that 7th day, you can open a box on the platform for free, and that box can actually be worth up to like $10, which is pretty good. Heycash also does actually have a 7-day streak bonus, but to maintain this streak, it's not about completing a survey, it's actually about reaching 1,000 points daily. The surveys on Heycash are decent, but since the platform is actually owned by the creators of Prime Opinion and Five Surveys, you will be seeing the same surveys on each of those platforms. For this video, I actually did use Heycash for an extended period of time where I actually did maintain that streak for 14 days. And I'm going to be honest with you, it is a real grind trying to keep this streak going. The truth is, most surveys on Heycash do not pay above 1,000 points. So in most cases, you will have to do multiple surveys to stay on track. Like I said though, I actually did manage to keep this streak going for 14 days. In the first week, I actually gained a bonus of 2.5k points for actually maintaining that 7-day streak and opening that box. And then in the second week, I gained a 500 point bonus. That means I earned 3,000 points or £2.40 in bonuses. And it's not life-changing, is it? The real kicker with this streak though is, if, for example, you miss one day, something comes up in your life, and you can't complete that streak, you're back to square one.
How come you wasn't there Saturday night?
The thing is, many other providers actually do offer a 7-day earning streak, one of which is Freecash. So Freecash actually offers a much broader range of surveys available, like CPX Research and Prime Surveys for example. And yes, Prime Surveys is Prime Opinions, those surveys are on Freecash as well. The thing that really sets Freecash apart though from Heycash, Prime Opinion and Five Surveys is that Freecash actually does offer surveys over $3 in some cases, which is really juicy. Not to mention Freecash's streak system. So even if you break your streak, you're still earning bonuses every single day. So on Freecash, if you actually maintain a streak between 1 and 6 days, depending on how many days you actually complete that streak, you can actually earn up to $1.50 in bonuses. And then on day 7, you can actually open a case on the platform worth up to $150. The thing is, I feel like on Freecash, losing this streak isn't the end of the world. You're still getting rewarded for your time and effort put into these surveys, compared to what you are on Heycash. And let's be honest here, with surveys, they are dead on a weekend. So it's already really slim pickings, and you don't want to actually spend 4 hours of your day grinding out a survey platform for 80 pence, you know, it's just not worth your time. Surveys aren't the only way to earn on Heycash though. There is other methods to make money on the platform such as offer walls. And I'm going to be honest with you, the offer wall selection on Heycash are very limited. The thing is, these two offer walls are widely available on other platforms, for example, like Freecash. As Freecash actually offers the exact same offer walls, why not just use that platform? And to be fair, you probably should just use Freecash, and there's a few reasons why. So on Freecash, the more offers you complete, the more money you will earn for free daily. So Freecash actually has a daily log-on bonus. So that means every time you actually complete an offer, you'll actually gain more levels in the platform, and you'll actually earn more money in the long term. The max you can currently earn on Freecash for reaching the max level is 7 cents a day, and you may be thinking, 7 cents is not worth my time. But that's 7 cents a day where you just log in and you press one button. You don't even need to earn on the platform to actually get that 7 cents daily. As Heycash is the sister site to Prime Opinion, that does mean Heycash does actually have a level up system. The problem is, the level up system is not as advanced as their competitors like Freecash and Prime Opinion. So on Heycash, you actually level up by earning a certain amount of points on the platform through offers and surveys, and you actually get paid a small amount of money for actually reaching each level. The thing is, Prime Opinion does actually offer the exact same level up system. Plus, on Prime Opinion, you actually get bonuses for reaching certain levels, such as cash out discounts and survey boosts. Which makes me feel, out of the two platforms, Prime Opinion is the more rewarding platform than its sister site, Heycash. One redeeming quality of Heycash is its potential to be farmed. As Lazy Money UK mentioned on one of my previous videos,
the same surveys appear on multiple platforms, but they track your IP address to prevent re-entry. Switching internet connections helps you look like a different person. For example, use SurveyPop on Wi-Fi and the clone app Eureka on mobile data. This gives you a second chance to qualify.
That does mean you can actually farm surveys on Prime Opinion using Wi-Fi and then answer surveys on Heycash using mobile data. The cash out options on Heycash are near identical to Prime Opinion, literally PayPal, Amazon and other widely available stores. It's nothing too out of the ordinary and it's nothing too outstanding. It's just a standard affair. If you actually wanted to maximize earnings from surveys, I would just not use Heycash at all. So I would actually use Prime Opinion for one survey to actually get that streak bonus, and then focus on doing surveys on 5 surveys. As on 5 surveys, every survey you complete is worth £1 in value. So in comparison to other platforms, how does Heycash actually stack up? So I'm looking at Swagbucks, Freecash, 5 surveys, and personally I don't think Heycash actually stands up at all. So Swagbucks actually offers high-paying surveys like user testing and user zoom, which pays up to £1.60 for every single study you complete. Freecash has that 7-day streak system with constant earnings, and you actually get a much better potential earning from that than you do Heycash. And finally, 5 surveys actually guarantees £1 every single survey you complete, so why not use that? It's a more straightforward option. I personally feel like Heycash are spreading themselves too thin. Heycash lacks unique features, and it has little incentives.
You get in the bin!
For now, I personally feel like this platform is not something I can recommend. I feel like it's got a long way to go, and I feel like there's just better alternatives out there. To conclude, Heycash just doesn't cut it. There's so many better alternatives out there. I don't want you lot to waste your time on a platform where you could make more money elsewhere by doing the exact same and get rewarded for it with bonuses. You really need to stick to platforms like Freecash, Prime Opinion, 5 Surveys and Swagbucks. They're the 4 trusted sites which I can't recommend enough. You can make some easy money there. Don't get me wrong though, these platforms aren't perfect, but they're significantly better than Heycash. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, I'd be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
I'm not using that stuff no more.
Not a chance.
Hey,
Cash.
this is rubbish. Get the bin, please.